Biodiversity Protection Projects in Latin American Forests by Dax Cooke. The protection of biodiversity is a cornerstone of many Latin American forestry projects. Governments and NGOs in the region have worked for years to create and maintain preserves that protect both plant and animal life. Despite these measures, deforestation remains a major issue in many parts of the region. In this blog post, we'll explore some of the most important biodiversity protection projects in Latin America, as put together by Dax Cooke. Dax Cooke's top picks for the best biodiversity protection projects in Latin America. Dax Cooke's top biodiversity protection projects in Latin America. Alto Hayabamba Project. The Alto Hayabamba Project is a biodiversity protection project in Latin America. It is located in the central Amazon region of Peru and comprises a network of protected areas totaling more than 1.5 million hectares. According to Dax Cooke, the project is aimed at protecting the biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest, as well as the traditional way of life of the indigenous people who live there. The project has been successful in its goal of preserving the rainforest and its inhabitants and has been recognized as one of the most effective conservation initiatives in the world. Endemic Species Protection Project in Ecuador. The American Bird Conservancy, ABC, and Fundación Jocotoco have been working together since 1999 to protect Ecuador's critically endangered birds. The project has grown to encompass 14 protected areas, which are home to nearly 200 endemic bird species, including the black-faced ibis, the white-bellied cinclodes, and the Andean condor. The project has also helped to improve the management of Ecuador's national parks and increase public awareness of the importance of conservation. In addition, ABC and Fundación Jocotoco have worked with the Ecuadorian government to create a network of privately protected areas, which will provide additional habitat for endangered bird species. The project has been successful in its goals of protecting Ecuador's unique biodiversity and educating the public about the importance of conservation. Biodiversity Protection Project in Chiribiquete National Park. The Andes Amazon Fund and Bobbling Foundation have joined forces to protect biodiversity in the Chiribiquete National Park in Colombia. The park is home to a wealth of plant and animal life, including endangered species such as the yellow-tailed woolly monkey and the Andean condor. The Andes Amazon Fund will provide financial support for the project, while the Bobbling Foundation will manage the protection efforts. The project will involve the construction of a research station in the park, which will be used to monitor wildlife populations and study the impacts of climate change on the ecosystem. Additionally, the project will fund training programs for local park rangers, who will play a vital role in protecting the park's biodiversity. The Andes Amazon Fund and Bobbling Foundation are committed to preserving the unique biodiversity of the Chiribiquete National Park for future generations. Golden-winged warbler conservation project in Nicaragua. The American Bird Conservancy's Golden-winged warbler conservation project is a 5-year effort to protect the critically endangered golden-winged warbler. The project is based in Nicaragua, where the warbler spends its winters. According to Dax Cooke, the project's goal is to create and maintain a habitat for the warbler by working with local farmers and land managers. The American Bird Conservancy has already succeeded in other parts of Central America, and they are hopeful that the project will help save the warbler from extinction. In addition to habitat conservation, the project also focuses on education, outreach, monitoring, and research. With the help of dedicated volunteers, the American Bird Conservancy is working to give the golden-winged warbler a second chance at survival. Dax Cooke's final thoughts. Dax Cooke believes that Latin American forests are rich in biodiversity, and many organizations have initiatives to protect these resources. Projects focus on various activities such as conservation, education, research, and sustainable development. By supporting one of these projects, you can help preserve the incredible diversity of life in Latin America while contributing to sustainable economic growth in the region. Thanks for watching.